But come over here. Come here. Stay. It's kind of hard to make a video doing this, you know. I should have brought my tripod out here. It's hard to give him a bath and record it at the same time.